Hello everyone, Sarthak this side from Planet Study. I welcome you all to the second video of Satyabama University. In first video, we have discussed related to bachelor's program, related to campus placement and related to campus facilities. So in second video, we'll be discussing about the postgraduate level program. So number one domain is engineering, that is masters in engineering, masters in technology and masters in architecture. So in total 6 different domains you can go for masters in engineering, and in total 2 domains you can go for masters of technology and masters of architecture. All the program duration are of 2 years. And eligibility criteria is very simple. You need to have domain specific criteria. Means if you are going for structural engineering master's level program, then you need to have undergraduate degree in civil engineering or bachelor's of architecture. You cannot go with computer science, you cannot go with electrical, right? So if you have bachelor level program in particular domain, then only you can go for master level program in that particular domain. You cannot change your domain, right? So it's the other way around also. So again, 50% marks if you are from unreserved category, and if you are from any reserved category, then 45% is the eligibility criteria for all the programs, right? Program fees will be around 65,000 rupees per semester. In total 4 semesters are there. So again 6 4 24 means 2,60,000 rupees for the entire 2-year course. Hostel fees will be rupees 1,75,000 for AC hostel and 80,000 rupees per year for non-AC hostel. Management program MBA, again 2-year program. Eligibility criteria 50% in the qualifying examination, and fees will be around 3,40,000 rupees. Dental program, in total 3 disciplines you can go for MDS, and duration will be 3 years. Again, you need to be Indian citizen. You need to qualify your NEET PG exam. There are 2 type of NEET exams. One is for undergraduate level, another one is for postgraduate level. So you need to qualify PG NET. Okay, so again admission will be around on the basis of centralized counseling. Arts and science program MA English, visual communication, physics, mathematics, chemistry, bioinformatics, medical biotechnology. In all these different domains you can go for your master's level program. Again, all the program are of 2 years only. Eligibility criteria, again if you are from undergraduate program in a particular domain, then only you can go for master level program in that particular domain only. MA English, you need to have undergraduation in English. MSc visual communication, undergraduate with visual communication. MSc physics, undergraduate with physics, right? So domain is specific, bachelor's and masters. Again 50% with the qualifying examination, and if you are from any reserved category, then 45% you need to score. Okay, fee structure will be same. Again 1,12,000 rupees for the entire 2-year course. Next domain is engineering program, that too at part-time level. Duration will be 3 years. 1 year will increase because of the part-time. Masters of engineering in 4 disciplines, masters of technology in 2 disciplines, along with MBA can be done here. Eligibility criteria will be same. In particular domain, if you have got your undergraduate degree in that particular domain only, you can go for your postgraduate degree, right? 50% in case of unreserved category and 45% in case of reserved category. You need to score at your undergraduate level. Fee structure will be around 2,40,000 rupees for the entire course, because it is the fees here is 40,000 rupees per semester. Research program PhD in all disciplines of engineering, technology, management and science can be done here. Eligibility criteria will be master's degree in these different subjects. Duration for the full-time students minimum 3 years and maximum 6 years will be given. For part-time students minimum 4 years and maximum 7 years will be given. Admission details twice a year, January and July. Admission date related to all the other criteria will be available on the website also. All the eligible candidates will be called for the screening purpose, and admission will be based on the recommendation by the expert committee. Fees, you can check out processing charges, semester fees, comprehension fees, synopsis fees on the screen. Selection process will be, again you need to give a PowerPoint presentation to the respective committee on your proposed research work, and finalization will be done by the screening committee. And this is it. All the postgraduate program have been detailed to you. If you want to download this complete PDF, then you need to visit planetstudy.in, and under free resources section you'll get this PDF, right? If you have any career counseling related doubt, then let us know in the comment section, and we'll meet you all very soon in the next video. Bye bye.